That gray, icy ribeye sitting in the back of your freezer right now? That's $1,500 a year, straight in the trash. Today I'm counting down the 6 best vacuum sealers of 2026. Tested by real labs, no discontinued models, every budget covered. Links are already in the description. Let's get into it. Not every vacuum sealer deserves your counter space. Some quit after 3 months. Some claim they handle wet foods and fall apart the first time you try it. I pulled testing data from Wirecutter, Taste of Home, Outdoor Life, Tech Gear Lab, Should It, and more. So every pick on this list is backed by real, documented performance, not marketing language. We're covering everything from $40 to $350. Something here is built exactly for how you cook. Starting at number 6. Number 6, the MegaWise 2025 Vacuum Sealer. Best budget pick, around $40 to $50. If you're new to vacuum sealing and don't want to spend big to find out if it's worth it, this is the machine that answers that question fast. The 2025 model was a real improvement. Should its testing found it peaked at 43 kilopascals of suction, up from 34 kilopascals on the previous version, and it runs noticeably quieter than its predecessor too. It completes a seal cycle in about 15 seconds. Tech Gear Lab's team put it through speed tests against 12 sealers and found it was the fastest to vacuum and seal across all their rounds. The built-in sliding cutter with a measured ruler is a detail you don't usually get at this price point. You can size and cut bags directly on the machine without reaching for scissors. And it has a pulse mode for delicate foods like bread or chips that would get flattened in automatic mode. One thing to know going in, Should It found the auto cycle crushed about 22% of crunchy content in their testing. So, manual pulse is the move for snacks. At under 2.5 pounds, it stores in a kitchen drawer. For under $50, the MegaWise 2025 does more than it has any right to do. Number 5, the Mueller Vacuum Sealer. Best option for beginners and smaller kitchens, around $35 to $50. The Mueller earns this spot by doing one thing better than almost everything else on this list, staying out of your way. Tech Gear Lab's testers ran it through berries, sandwich bread, dry rice, and ground beef, and it handled every food type cleanly without needing any manual adjustments. It consistently pulled clean air from every bag and sealed without gaps. It weighs under 2.5 pounds and sits at roughly 15 by 4 by 3 inches, meaning it goes in a cabinet, a drawer, or a corner shelf without taking over any surface. The button panel is straightforward, with automatic sealing modes that handle the process start to finish. It has dry and moist settings, an accessory port for mason jars and canisters, and a gentle mode that prevents soft or fragile foods from getting crushed during suction. That gentle setting genuinely matters if you seal herbs, pastries, or fresh berries on a regular basis, and it's not a feature you find at every price point. The one gap is that there's no built-in roll storage or bag cutter. You'll be cutting bags by hand. That's a minor inconvenience. But for anyone getting started, or someone who seals food a few times a week and wants zero learning curve, the Mueller is as easy and reliable as it gets. Number 4, the Nesco Deluxe 5S12. Best mid-range vacuum sealer, roughly $100 to $130. The Nesco is where you stop feeling like you're compromising. It runs on a 130-watt double vacuum pump rated at 25.1 inches of mercury, and Should Its testing clocked it at 80 kilopascals with a 28-second seal cycle. The build quality is a clear step up. Stainless steel plating on top, a lid that locks firmly with a handle, and a control panel with a display showing you every stage of the process. Should Its team describe the build as a benchmark they found themselves using to measure every other sealer in their lineup. It has 3 sealing modes: dry, moist, and double. You can also toggle between normal and gentle vacuum pressure, so softer foods don't get damaged during suction. It handles bags up to 11.8 inches wide and has an accessory port for jars and canisters. The list of publications recommending it includes Wirecutter, Good Housekeeping, The Spruce Eats, Serious Eats, and Food and Wine. The honest trade-off? Should Its testing found the automatic cycle left weak spots when sealing very juicy cuts of beef. Switching to manual mode on those solves it immediately. At this price, with this level of backing and this build quality, the Nesco Deluxe 5S12 is one of the best balanced purchases in this entire category. Number 3, the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro. Best for sous vide and wet foods, around $125 to $150. The Anova Pro exists in its own lane if you cook sous vide, or if marinated and liquid-rich foods are a regular part of how you cook. It has a 130-watt double vacuum pump and a double sealer. That second sealing strip is a real advantage when moisture is close to the bag opening, which is exactly where most cheap sealers fail. It operates one-handed, has built-in bag and cord storage, and includes an external hose for sealing canning jars and containers without extra attachments. Wirecutter named it their best overall vacuum sealer. The Strategist, Serious Eats, and Food & Wine all reached the same conclusion independently. It handles raw salmon, heavily marinated chicken, and wet prep work without the seal giving out during a long cook. The one size consideration is that it's more compact than the Nesco, so it works with slightly smaller bag widths. That's it. For anyone doing sous vide regularly, or anyone sealing wet foods and tired of bags failing mid-cook, the Anova Pro gives you performance that genuinely belongs a price tier higher. Stay through number 1. What earns that spot genuinely surprised the reviewers running the tests. Number 2. The FoodSaver V4400 2-in-1. Best premium automated sealer, around $200. The FoodSaver V4400 is built for people who want the process handled automatically, every single time. The moment a bag goes into the chamber, the machine detects the food type and selects the right sealing mode on its own. Both bag detection and moisture sensing are built in, no button adjustments needed. It seals in under 30 seconds. The built-in roll storage and cutter let you make custom-sized bags directly on the machine, and the retractable handheld sealer detaches from the main body so you can use it on FoodSaver zipper bags, containers, canisters, and wine stoppers without needing separate attachments. Chowhound's review found users consistently highlight long-term preservation as the standout benefit. FoodSaver states meat lasts up to 3 years in the freezer, compared to conventional wrapping methods. The drip tray is dishwasher safe. It works with bags from other brands, which keeps the ongoing cost lower over time. At $200, it's a real commitment, so if you seal food occasionally, the Nesco or Mueller is the smarter call. But for anyone bulk buying from Costco, meal prepping multiple times a week, or just wanting a machine that removes every decision from the process, the FoodSaver V4400 is one of the most well-engineered home sealers available right now. Number 1. The Weston Pro-2300 Commercial-Grade Vacuum Sealer. Best overall, around $250 to $350. Quick note before we get there. If you're a casual home cook who seals leftovers a couple times a week, the Anova Pro at number 3 is genuinely all you need, and it'll serve you well for years. But if you process your own meat, fish regularly, buy in bulk at that level, or you're just done replacing cheap sealers that burn out after one hunting season, this is where the conversation ends. The Weston Pro-2300 runs on 935 watts. That is by far the most power on this list, and it's not close. The double-piston pump handles workloads that would overheat any of the other 5 machines here. Taste of Home's culinary team named it the pick for anyone serious about meal prep or sustained bulk use. Outdoor Life put it through over 170 pounds of venison and pork in a single processing session, sealing bag after bag with no drop in performance and no slowdown. Taste of Home's testers also measured noise across multiple sealers and found the loudest units reached around 88 decibels during operation, similar to a blender. The Weston is in that range, so it's not a quiet machine. It's large, it's heavy, and it doesn't come with bags. You need dedicated storage space for it. Those are the real costs of owning it. But here's what makes it number 1. The Weston Pro-2300 is built to run hard, run often, and not quit. If you've spent the last few years cycling through home sealers that wear out, this is the last vacuum sealer you will ever have to buy. So that's your full list. Number 6. The MegaWise 2025 for budget first buyers. Number 5. The Mueller for beginners and compact kitchens. Number 4. The Nesco Deluxe VS12 for mid-range reliability. Number 3. The Anova Precision Pro for sous vide and wet foods. And casual users, this one's your sweet spot. Number 2. The FoodSaver V4400 for hands-free automation. And at number 1, the Weston Pro-2300 for anyone who processes, bulk buys, or hunts at scale. All links are in the description. Prices on Amazon shift, so check before you order. If this list saved you time or helped you decide, drop a like. It helps more than you know. Subscribe if you want more honest breakdowns like this. And tell me in the comments, Are you sealing everyday leftovers, or are you someone who processes game meat in bulk? I read every comment. See you in the next one.